Let's start by making a company introducer totally inactive. For this, you need to go to the introducer section of the left-hand side menu, click on introducer branches, and from within here you need to find the branch that you want to make inactive and no longer accept referrals from. So we'll click on Andy's Protection Company. You would then simply scroll down, click on the update button, and to make the whole company and the people who work there, including the director, inactive, click inactive from the drop down menu, scroll down and click confirm. This will then mean that Andy's Protection Company, for instance, will no longer have access to the referral dashboards, including the people who work within the firm. Alternatively, if it's just an individual that you want to make inactive, maybe they've left that particular company, if I clear the filters on this, you will see all individuals are listed. If you want to find one particular one, it is case sensitive. So I want to make Andy Williams, for instance, inactive. Type Andy. You would click on the magnifying glass, exactly the same, click update, and it's as simple as simply making inactive under the status and clicking confirm. This will then remove Andy from the company and also add a credit back to yourself with regards to introducer dashboards. The same goes for cancelling a whole branch. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Thank you.